You have now built additional pages. Great work. But here is a common question that follows. Where do these pages show up? Or how do customers find them? Why are not they visible on my homepage menu? Well, the truth is, Shopify won't automatically display new pages in your storefront. You have to manually add them to your store's navigation menu. And if you don't, customers won't find what they need. They leave your store confused or worse, distrustful. Shopify gives you full control over your menus so you can organize content for a better shopping experience, improve your store's flow and layout, boost trust and usability by making page easy to access. And if you're building stores for clients or plan to, mastering navigation is a repeatable skill that adds huge value to your services. So let's make sure your customers can find exactly what they need fast. Here is how to connect your key pages to your store menus in just a few clicks. You go to content, and in content you would find menus. And in the menu you would find all of these quick links, our company, main menu, information, footer menu, followed by and customer account main menu. So let's look at main menu first. Now this is the main menu that comes on the top of the page. The main menu items are home, about, products, blogs, contact. Now you can add a new item depending on the new page that you added. So you can label it over here and you can add the link from the pages that you just created. So that's how you add items to the main menu. Similarly, you can add to the footer and quick links or our company. So you can create different menu items, and you can even add a new menu by adding a new menu, side menu, and you click on save. You select the menu items that would go here and then click on save. That's exactly how you do it. You can organize it, you can place where you want the menu to be seen and in what order. You can add a main menu, you can add the footer and everything. So your store's navigation is not just about a structure. It's about trust, clarity and conversion. So your action steps: add the pages that you just built to your main menu or footer menu. Use dropdowns to keep things organized and user friendly. And if you need a second opinion, post a screenshot of your menu inside the community or bring it to the next live coaching call for direct feedback.